So we've just got our new install. This is the Viron IHP242, and we've got this running in conjunction with pool solar heating. 1 hour ago the pool was 14 degrees, and we've just clicked over 1 degree 1 hour from solar only, and we're going to see how long it takes to get up to mid-20s with our 4mm heat guard thermal blanket. And then once we hit the mid-20s, we'll kick on the heat pump and it should just top us up. We're running this with a Zodiac 650 filter, Flow Pro 1 horsepower, and the solar is running on separate suction, separate return.